Here we have some unidentified aluminum aircraft skin plane wreckage from Operation LUSTY. Not sprayed the dirt off it actually already there. It's about 27 inches across in the back. Had kind of a green paint on it. I believe it was a 3-bladed propeller, missing one of the sections there, ripped out. Hole in the middle, about 5 and 5 3/4, 6 inches. The whole band is looking at about 8 inches across. The openings here for the propeller blades, a little less than 6 inches. Probably about 8 inches to the end. Would have had like a nose cone rooted on, I'm assuming. But any help would be appreciated if anyone has any idea of what aircraft. Thanks a lot.